Hello YouTube, I've missed you. What's up guys? I hope everyone is having an amazing, great summer so far. I know it's been a while, but you know what? I'm back with a better video and a fun video. My two best friends, my beautiful angels, are coming to Miami to visit me tonight. Oh my god guys, we're gonna be together in 24 hours.
I'm so excited!
I've cleaned my apartment, made my bed, washed the sheets, washed the towels, and Shauna just texted me that she's 5 minutes away, so let's go downstairs. That is her, guys! Shauna! Hello! Wait, I have to record this. Guys, she's here.
The driver man's in the way.
Sorry.
Sorry about that.
Oh my gosh, she's here.
You out there?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. I don't care about anything else. Oh my goodness. Give me a hug.
Sweating, sweetheart.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go get some buzz balls and then I will see you guys again when Tina gets here. Excuse me. Do it again. Hey, hey. Listen, you can take the girl off the soccer field. Bro, this is downtown Miami. Like, someone will steal it. Shauna went to Canada for a work trip before she came to Miami, and she brought me the cutest magnet ever. Look at it. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, Baguera.
Oh no.
You're Shauna, and this is Shawnette. My girl got me some snacks. Oh, excuse the room because I'm moving, so judge me free. Oh my god. Listen, you have not lived if you have not tried those, and they match you. These are crazy. Oh my god, she knows me and she knows me well. Whoa, I'm making some potatoes. Oh, sorry. Some yum. Oh, my glasses and everything. Some yummy chicken. Actually, let me turn this off because it's done. But let me just show you
What to drink? Some white wine.
white wine. I need some white wine, please. Ay. This chicken is giving what it's supposed to give. Yummy. And Tina gets here in 4 minutes. So we're gonna go downstairs. Oven is off. Stove is.
Watch yourself, please. Oh my god.
It's fine. Stove is on.
I burn myself for you. I do it.
Alright guys, we're back in the lobby. It's her? I think it might be. Oh no, it's not, because that guy's getting in. Tina? OMG, OMG, OMG. Oh my god! Oh my goodness, my baby. Oh my angel.
Is that? Hi guys.
Hey, it was a pleasure. Love your
Thank you
accent.
so much. Thank you.
Yeah, it's not your accent.
What the heck? I'm in fucking Miami, bitch.
I mean, my
Turn up, look. Go.
As fast as I'm playing with my girl.
Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so tan.
Sorry,
my reaction's
the same thing.
My reaction's like, I'm kind of stunned to be here, so I'm a little late.
What are you saying?
Can I come? Is this right? Oh my god.
Welcome to my crib. I don't have my key fob, so let's not. I have my two angels here. God is real because of them. Anyways, Tina, I'm making dinner. I have
Oh
some
my god, a home cooked meal?
a home cooked
I get a
meal.
place to stay and I get a home cooked meal.
You do. Potatoes.
Okay.
Juicy chicken.
chicken.
And I'm gonna make a salad. Ay. My girls are here. We are in for a fun next 4 days, so let's see how it goes. We're having a family supper. Let me give you the layout. Potatoes and juicy chicken and some salad with my baby girls.
I'm so fucking happy.
Change your face. Thank you. Thank you. What do you rate it 1 through 10?
My shit was mid, like a 4, like
Bruh.
clearly I don't even give a fuck, bro. It was okay.
What do you rate it?
20 out of 10.
Meanwhile, what do you rate it? Seriously.
Bro, that shit was a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, like Keith Lee style, bitch. That shit was 10.
Clock that. So you guys know I have haters.
Clock
I
that.
think I can't cook.
Bro,
that think I don't cook.
That shit was juicy. It was fall off the bone. It was well seasoned. Like.
We have no itinerary, but we're just going with the flow and the vibes. So yeah. We will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. The sun is shining.
Good morning.
It's bread.
Hello. Can you guys say hi to the freaking vlog? You see how they treat y'all?
Hi guys, we missed y'all so much. We're rested. We ate a good meal. We're fucking back.
Fucking bad.
We are well rested. I just did Tina's toes. Not for free. Shauna just took a shower.
Surgery.
Yeah.
Sexy. I have to go take a shower so I can turn from a catfish to a bad bitch. We are bowling and we're killing it. I'm winning right now, but this is the second game and I lost the first game. It's okay. I don't know what we're gonna do tonight, but we'll figure something out and I'll be vlogging there, so we'll see you then. Bye.
3 hours later.
Everybody clap your hands. Hey, we got put it back around. Everybody clap it. Cheers. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you make it to the top?
What it do, man? What's up? No, this is not an ad. I've never had this before, but she keeps raving about it. She said it's gonna change my life, so
Just get you that.
I'm supposed to do something. Today is Friday. I'm gonna do a stream, and then we're gonna go to some all-you-can-eat sushi spot later. That I hope Shauna likes. She doesn't like sushi, but they have other stuff you can eat. Tina's in the bathroom right now. Tina, get one more to you, John. Okay. Thank you for getting these, by the way. Tastes like medicine. Well, guys, if you don't hear from us later, don't blame me. Blame the Magnum. Hello, hello, hello. We got Tina in the back and Shauna in the sack. My nut sack. But we're about to go to the grocery store and stream it and do a little cute little IRL so we can be cooking at home girly. I'll probably insert some of the VOD of my stream, so I'm interrupting my vlog.
I said.
Sorry. Sorry, I just squeezed her butt crack.
No, you tickled it.
It was an accident, my fingers slipped.
My boyfriend. What the heck? What is that? I don't want to look at it. I don't want to see.
Look, I got these bracelets for me, Shauna and Tina. You're my favorite bitch to bitch about bitches with.
We don't do that.
Close your eyes and make a wish, huh? So I'm about to bitch my bitches up. Come get bitched, bitches. We're getting bitched today.
Oh my god. I'm excited.
Yes, bitch. What the fuck? No.
Hey guys, I'm with number 3.
That is my dog for sure.
Oh my god,
That's my dog.
The flavor.
That's my dog for sure.
Okay, guys. And it feels so good. What are you guys talking about over there?
We're talking about how much we love you.
No, that's not true.
There's a kitty cat.
Where? Oh my god, I need it. Is that real? This cat is out. Meow. Did we just look at it now? Meow. Look at the little kitten. Wait, can you guys see him? Wait, let me show you guys the cat. Oh, well, not that cat. Sorry. It like fell.
Wait, aren't cat cats like bad luck?
Yeah.
No, they're not. Come on.
He's doing that to next, please.
Before I jump the fence.
I'm not Lady Gaga. Oh, I'm not.
Oh, rah,
I'm
rah,
ready.
rah, oh my god.
I have to walk inside.
Oh, public sex.
I have no idea.
Guys, have you ever been to a public?
No.
You'll see never been to a public? It's gonna be very anticlimactic, but let's go.
Guys, I'm at a grocery store. I'm so happy.
What'd you say?
Like the grocery store to be better. This is better. Not that way.
Okay, we're getting out of here. Come on. Because of you. Are we all holding hands? Aww.
I wish we could do candy.
I'm not gonna kiss you in my lip. Oh my god, don't get me excited for 5 of these in my mouth right now.
No. Stream
15 cents. What the hell? That's like 8.
Here's my now, just finish it. You got?
Oh god.
Thank you.
Cartwheel, right now.
Oh my guys, I'm giving him a one.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Like a. I swear on my life, I've given one. They've had one drink of this.
Your ass on, boy.
Wait, it's a tripod now? I don't want to be worried. Hey guys, I'm gonna have a little bit.
Oh shit.
Can I have some?
Of course. That thing is gross.
It's like,
don't
like
burst your
medicine. I did it. I found it. Okay, it just took like 25 minutes, but it was right there in front of me. Crazy.
What is it?
A case. This was
There's a black one.
Yes, y'all. Of course, it's just a black one.
Oh, those are cute. Those are actually cute.
I like these. Those are white.
Were we out your D?
Oh.
Alright guys, we are here at Can Sushi, one of my favorite spots. Shauna doesn't eat fish, so she has all the meat and shenanigans over here. Tina, yummy, we're enjoying this. So yeah, this is like an all-you-can-eat sushi spot, and it's so good. So I'm like, we have to come, but yeah.
Guys, we're about to go out. Just enjoy my life over it.
Hey guys, so we are now on day 3.
Yes, we're on day 3 of being together.
We had a nice breakfast this morning.
We had a movie night last night.
I'm gonna make some good food tonight.
Yeah, she's cooking. We're putting her ass in the kitchen. 'Cause that's where women belong.
Oh. I agree. I've had a Magnum and I feel like I'm on Jupiter.
Who wants to hear?
It's every day photo shoot with these two.
Yeah, every day.
Keep pressing okay. I need a separate day.
Photo shoot, everyday photo shoot.
The club, photo shoot club, photo shoot club, photo shoot club.
Another club. Come on.
Go to pushing off and get things. Go to pushing off and get things. Y'all see nothing. I can't tell right again. And every time grab my man. Hey, me coffee longer than me now.
Ooh, what else? Alright guys, it is the last supper. Tinaye, my beautiful mamita, and Shaunita, and moi. Some little steak, some congri made by yours truly, my beautiful mom. Some salad and tostones. So we're gonna dig in, and then Tina has to leave to the airport, and then Shauna's leaving. Sad. Tina left. Shauna's leaving. Life is over. Just kidding. I have my beautiful sister and my mom right here. She's leaving me. Don't leave me, girl. Bye. Bye. Have a safe flight. See you next time.